Right, so hi guys, today I'm going to be singing Bad Boy by, I'm not sure if it's by, but I don't think either, but I will put it up here, like in the thing, bottom of the name, because I'll have a look at it, press and play, but so that's basically it. Look, these are fake by the way, these are fake, I'll turn them around so that you can tell that they're fake, they are so fake. That's obviously, like, so fake, they're so fake, but they're so fake, and look, so real, and so shit. Look at me now. Like this. Which way should I turn? Okay, so they sort of bopped to the side of it. It was like a messy one, but sort of bopped it out. But so this is gonna be my singing Bad Boy. So here we go. 1 minute. 1 minute on. Remember the feeling. Remember the day. My soul heart was breaking. My love ran away. This moment I knew I would be someone else. Our love turned around and again. Be my bad boy, be my weekend lover, be my friend. You can be my bad boy, but understand that I don't need you in my life again. Won't you be my bad boy, be my friend, be my weekend lover, be my friend. Be my bad boy, but understand that I don't need you again. Oh, I don't need you again. I'm just gonna get once made this promise to stay by my side, but after some time you just pushed me aside. And I thought that a girl could be strong. How to go on? Be my bad boy, be my man. Hello, I don't want to. Friend, you can be my bad boy, but understand that I don't need you in my life again. Won't you be my bad boy, be my man? And we can love, but don't be my friend. You can be my bad boy, but understand that I don't need you again. I don't need you again. Sorry. Oh, this is this one. Right, the next song is gonna go on, so I'm gonna turn the song, the actual song down. I think I'm gonna go on. Oh well. So that's gonna be the end of the video. Sorry about the total glare of it. The Kia and things like there's got like glare on them, but that doesn't matter. It makes it cheap. So bye, bye people.